The light of someone's life. Do you know someone that you just adore? You love them so much they make your life worthwhile. They brighten your day. They make things sunny when the sky is gray. That person is the light of your life. The light of someone's life. The light of someone's life is a very special thing. It can be a person, an animal, or even a thing. It is the one thing that brings them happiness and joy. It is the one thing that they can't live without. When someone's light goes out, it is a very sad and difficult time. It is said that the light of a single candle can be seen from miles away. This is because the light of a candle is a source of hope and comfort in the darkness. In the same way, the light of someone's life can be seen from far away. The light of someone's life is a source of hope and comfort in the darkness. It is a source of strength in times of trouble. It is a source of joy in times of sorrow. It is a source of love in times of need.